Welcome to the channel where your English learning journey becomes exciting, practical, and powerful. Today, we're diving into a game-changing skill that fluent speakers use every day, thinking in English. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a textbook. All you need is the willingness to practice in a new way. Stay with me for the next few minutes, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make English your second nature. Let's get into it. Why does thinking in English matter? Most learners translate from their native language, but this slows you down. Fluency comes when you stop translating and start thinking directly in English. It's not magic, it's a skill you can build with practice. Just like a muscle, the more you train it, the stronger it gets. Ready to shift your mindset? Let's explore how to train your brain to think in English naturally and confidently. Let's look at some simple but effective steps. Step 1. Start with microthoughts. Don't try to think in full paragraphs right away. Begin with small thoughts. See a fan? Say fan in your mind. Pick up a spoon? Say spoon. These microthoughts create fast word recognition and build the habit of using English in real time. Whenever you can, name things around you. As you do this, avoid translating. Think in English directly. Step 2. Narrate your actions. This is a simple but very effective habit. As you go through your daily routine, describe what you're doing in English. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm walking to the store. I'm cutting vegetables. It might sound silly at first, but you're turning everyday life into a language lesson. This kind of speaking to yourself method builds real fluency. You're not just learning the language, you're living it. Step 3. Visualize in English. Thinking in English doesn't mean just saying words, it's also about how you imagine. When you hear a new word, try to picture the meaning instead of translating it. For example, if someone says the dog is barking, imagine a dog barking. By doing this, you're creating a direct link between the word and the meaning in your mind. No translation needed. This visual connection is a huge step toward fluency. Step 4. Play the 5 things game. Here's a fun brain exercise. Walk into any room and quickly name 5 things you see in English. Then walk out and try to remember all 5. This boosts memory, recall speed, and vocabulary all at once. Try this at the park, in the kitchen, or on the bus. The more you practice, the quicker your brain starts to think in English without effort. Step 5. Think in choices and decisions. We make hundreds of small choices every day. Use those moments to practice. What do I want to eat? Should I wear the black shirt or the white one? Instead of making these decisions in your native language, do it in English. It's a simple mental shift, but it builds internal conversation skills. You'll be amazed at how much English you can practice by just thinking about what's next. Make English your mental habit. Thinking in English is not a task, it's a habit. Start small. Be patient. Keep it fun. Even 5 minutes a day of thinking in English makes a difference. Write sticky notes to remind yourself. Set alarms on your phone that say switch to English for a minute. The key is consistency. Don't worry about being perfect, just be regular. Take action now, now it's your turn. Start right now. Look around. Name 5 things. Describe what you're doing, make a decision in English, leave a comment below. What's the first thing you'll try today to start thinking in English? And if this video helped you, share it with a friend who's learning too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, keep practicing, keep thinking, and keep growing in English.